What are we doing there? What you got there, Mike? What you got there, Mike?
We got almost 7.86.
Why are we doing it on the floor, Mike?
Because I'm not holding it with 7.86 gallons of beer. What do you think, Paul?
Oh boy, I think. I don't really know what that means, but welcome to Home Brewing TV. I have no idea if this looks good, but if it does, hey. Today, Mike and I are going to be doing things a little bit like we haven't done.
School.
Yeah, we haven't done this in a while. We're going to be brewing outside. So if that at all interests you, stick with us. Today we are going to be doing some outdoor brewing, which we haven't done in quite a while.
Old school garage brewing.
This is going to be a fun day. We've hit our strike temperature. No, is that the word? I've lost my beer making abilities.
Your nomenclature.
Strike temperature.
Yeah. Mash. The temperature at which you are going to start your mash.
So, well, it's the same thing. I'll just show you while I'm out here. This came from More Beer, Brewmaster series. We're making a, well, it's a Northeast IPA of some sort of Flamingos and Fronds, I believe they call it.
Hans and Franz?
Hans and Franz.
I'm gonna pump you up.
So we're gonna get this rain in there.
All right.
Doing brew in a bag today, which is something we don't normally ever do, but we're doing today.
And remember, no lumps, no clumps. So hard. That's what she said.
Ah.
There we go.
There it is. And then we should hopefully get the 149 soda. All right, so we have begun the mash. The mash is good, the mash is wonderful. We are recirculating to help maintain the temperature. And we've got the Blichmann dealio thing over there, controlling the burner.
And the mega pot that we got in here.
And now we just got to sit around and finish the coffee, and then we'll start drinking beers, which will make the day so much better.
Always does.
So that's it. We'll check back in later.
Show them the weather, Paul.
Show them the weather? Okay, so we decided we should brew outside. This is February, what is it today?
26.
February 26th. So this is our first warm day up here in Wisconsin. So this is it. What are we doing? 40 degrees out here today?
Oh, it's a little warmer.
A little warmer? Get over here, Mike. We can't see you. I'm squinting because it's so bright, but there we go. Oh, there you are.
There I am.
I'm just trying to.
Snow. We still got at least a foot of snow on the ground.
It's gorgeous outside, though.
It is.
It's a great day to be out drinking beers and brewing beers, and nothing's gone wrong yet. Tell us a little bit about what we're using today to brew this beer.
Well, today what we're using to brew this beer is a Blichmann controller. The Blichmann controller here is it's an electric controller, but what it does is keep our temperature stable. And what you're hearing, the clicking on and off, is the gas that is being fed to the burner is being regulated in order to keep our temperature as level as possible. And this enables the wort temperature to be steady. It's a very good unit. In fact, we are comparing it to the thermometer that is on our mash kettle right now, and it seems to be just a half a degree off from one another. So that's a very stable temperature control device. So I would highly recommend something like this, especially if you do the boil in the bag or the outside type of brewing like we're doing today that doesn't have the electronic temperature controls. Paul has the electronic temperature controls in his inside brewery, but out in the garage here, this is perfect. This is keeping everything nice and stable.
We got about 6 minutes until we are done with the mash, and then we're gonna pull the bag out, squeeze out the grains, and start the boil. Right, guys? Yeah. So that's what we're doing next. Uneventful so far.
That beautiful beer footage roll.
What do you need me to do here, Mike?
What I need you to do is to dump about a third of this in here.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, stop. That's good.
Okay.
That's more than enough.
More than enough.
More than enough.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, what a mess. Oh, jeez. Okay, the rest is going where?
And the rest is going to go in this bag.
All right, here, go get the bag. I
I got the bag.
Why are you separating it like that?
Because I don't want all of them in there. Just going
You
in.
only like some of the rabbits, not all of them.
No, that's not true. If they don't eat it, then I got to clean it all up later. It's not like your neighbor there with all the chickens.
It's
We'll
biodegradable.
wash that later.
Yeah, it's biodegradable, but
Okay. So now these have to go out where?
you know where.
Follow me.
Trudge through that snow.
Trudge.
It's not even that deep, Mike. What's the problem?
I don't know. If there's no problem, go and do it. Lead by example.
You didn't even stand on top. Oh, boy. Oh, boy.
Right there. Right in that opening there, Paul.
Right here.
Yep.
All right.
Run, Forrest!
It's wonderful.
We call that Mike
wonderful.
It's wonderful.
It's wonderful.
Mike for the scientifics.
Yes.
Wonderful.
It's wonderful.
Probably want one of these things, huh?
Yes, I want that in just a second. All right. Oh, smells nice. Okay.
There you go.
Hold on here. And we'll just dump this in.
I'm just waiting for you to drop that into the bowl.
Nope, not going in. Here we go. You ready?
I'm ready.
There we go. Put that in. And we're gonna attach it to the side like this.
Yum.
There we go. 1 minute? No, it's 1 minute. 1 minute, 13. Okay.
There you go, Mike.
That was
You're
good.
right on.
That was good.
How did you keep that time in your head like that?
No idea.
Do we want to put this in the same bag? Or do we want to put it in another bag?
I thought, well, got another bag.
I'm just saying, do you want to burn your hands putting it in the first same one?
No.
That's so much more fun.
I will burn my hands
also
putting,
mosaic?
yeah, it makes for great film.
I like when you burn your hands.
Yeah.
All mosaic going in this brew?
Yeah, it's almost in.
Put it in here in the meantime.
Hey, in the meantime, I'll put it in there.
That's gonna take a while for it to cool off the side.
Yeah, especially since we're not.
That smells so nice, doesn't it?
It's really good.
Pops is really nice.
Do you want it? You want your nose full of this? No?
You want it up in your nose? No? Here. Go on.
Everybody, sniff it. Sniff it. All right. All right. In the bag.
Alrighty.
So we are at the end of our boil. We're going to be putting this into a whirlpool. So the Blichmann controller here. Well, first of all, one of the nicest things we can do is we can control the pump right on the screen. So that's going. So if we go into our menu, to our mash, we got it set for 170 for 30 minutes. So we'll play that. We'll go home, and we've got it auto. So now it's going to keep this temperature at 170 degrees for 30 minutes.
Paul, tell us about this device.
Oh, the Spark Box? All right, so the Spark Box is part of the controller. Essentially, the controller tells this thing to send a signal through this electrical, and it sparks the flame, which keeps it going. And then this solenoid here, I think that's what that's called, shuts the gas on and off, which is also controlled by the Spark Box here. So that shuts on and off the gas, this ignites the gas, and that's controlled by the controller. It's a beautiful, seamless system.
And what's the benefit?
The benefits? Well, you can drink as much as you want and know that it's going to maintain the temperature that you ask it to.
Which is very important on an outdoor brew day,
Very
yeah?
important on outdoor.
Hops. That soap. Tea bag, kinda.
This is our Whirlpool house, correct?
Yes, it is.
All right.
We'll seal it up to the side. Secure it. Seems to be good to go. All right.
Fantastic.
And this temperature should remain steady at about 170 degrees for about the next 30 minutes. All right.
Okay. This is definitely old school.
Old school, in the snow again. Whoop. Let's get it through.
Let us pour. Where it goes. My hands were in there.
All right.
All right. 7, 6, 5,
Shouldn't you
4,
have the
3. What?
tops in the bag up before you start counting?
Nah. Oh my God! All kinds of.
And my other gun that I ordered.
What goes with the beer?
What goes with beer?
What goes with beer?
Pizza?
Perfect idea. Yeah. Look at this.
One slice left.
And I suppose that's for you.
Perfect.
That's it. Brew day's done.
Brew day is done.
We enjoy. I enjoyed. Did you enjoy brewing outside?
Absolutely. What a beautiful day this is.
was.
Even with all the snow in the background here.
Yeah.
Don't let it fool you. This
Gorgeous day.
air temperature was about 50, 52 degrees, and hopefully it'll melt the snow and we can look to spring here pretty soon.
Yes. Yeah. So hope you enjoyed that. If you did, great, wonderful. I'm happy you came along for the ride. If you want the No, I'm not going to have a beer recipe because this was a kit that I bought from More Beer.
Yes.
If you'd like the kit from More Beer, I will put the link below for it I don't get anything for it, but enjoy. It's any IPA. It seemed to work out just fine.
Yeah, I think we'll have a good result. You'll
Yeah.
be putting the yeast on it at your place,
Yeah.
and we'll be drinking it here probably in a week or two, probably.
That'd be my guess.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
well, that's about it for us today. So this is what we do. We do brew days. We do product reviews. We do beer tastings. We do all kinds of weird crap. So if you enjoyed that kind of stuff, please give us a thumbs up. Share it with like-minded brewers like yourself. And if you're here for the first time or
Welcome.
not here for the first time, you just haven't done it yet, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. The bell icon just gives you notifications when we do put out new content.
Right.
And we appreciate you watching. Until next time.
Keep brewing, friends.
That's right.